Okay, hi everyone. If you check our Twitter feed, it's gonna become readily apparent that we found some clues, which is super exciting. But what we found was some kind of correspondence about an experiment between this girl named Leanne and this guy named Dr. Evan Bell. There was also some information on a professional company profile thing for Leanne, and then an adoption form, and also an obituary for a child. And what I'm guessing is that this kid died as a part of the experiments. In some way, Jane actually knew the kid who died, and that's kind of why this is all coming back to her. She's kind of in a bad headspace. In the meantime, because I don't really know too much about what actually went down, I've just been doing some research. And that's been actually kind of fruitful because it turns out with some help from Pia Phasma, we found out that whoever owns the company Finn Cooper's Sweets and More apparently has a controlling stake, or had a controlling stake, in the now defunct Para Biotech pharmaceutical company that was running the experiments that we were talking about earlier. And that's concerning in and of itself because they went from meds to chocolate, but it also turns out that they're still using the same phone number and web coding for the website. I just don't really know any of the cyber hacker stuff, but Para Biotech apparently conducted an experiment that resulted in the death of a child. Now, if that had happened to me, the first thing I'd do is disassociate myself with a venture that ended with someone dying. But hey, I just might be crazy, or just not a very good capitalist. We don't really have any more information about the experiment, other than there was some kind of drug called Ample, and Ample is what put this kid into a coma before killing him. That's kind of why you don't do physical experimentation on children, folks. It kind of makes you wonder how all of our futuristic drugs get tested today. What I'm gonna try and do is get Jane out of her funk, okay? We don't really know anything else. We're just kind of getting led down this rabbit hole by this random person that none of us know. None of it really has to do anything with me, but I do think that Jane has some stuff that either she's not telling or she doesn't know how to tell. And I'm gonna try and talk to her, see if she can tell us anything else, if there's anything kind of woven into the frame of her memory, and whether or not we can kind of plumb those depths. Actually, she's probably watching this right now. Hi, Jane. How you doing? Great. All right, I'm gonna sign off.